The CIDOO V65 is a remarkable 65% mechanical keyboard that combines durability, precision, and style. Crafted like a tank, it stands strong against the test of time, drawing inspiration from the legendary Amstrad keyboards of old. Impressive in its feature set and customization options, the V65 supports VIA programming, hot swappable mechanical switches, and a compact layout, making it a versatile choice for work and gaming scenarios. Let's explore its practical aspects, user-friendliness, and standout features while comparing it with other keyboards. Constructed from solid aluminum, the V65's casing ensures exceptional durability at the cost of its weight, 1.3 kilograms. The keyboard features PBT die sub-double-shot keycaps that are resistant to wear, enhancing its longevity. Additionally, the gasket mount design, along with pour-on dampening foam, provides a cushioned and smooth typing experience. The V65 offers compatibility for both 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches with hot swappable PCB, allowing users to easily customize their typing experience. The keyboard supports both wired and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to switch between devices. You can control the RGB backlighting and brightness directly from the keyboard, choosing from various dynamic and static effects or turning off the lighting altogether. With the VIA programming support, you can create macros, remap the keyboard layout, and switch between multiple layers for added functionality. The south-facing RGB LEDs positioned at the bottom of the PCB provide a diffused glow, filling the space between keycaps with aesthetic advantages. As for battery life, the V65 offers around 10 hours in 2.4 GHz wireless mode with RGB lighting on and up to 35 hours with RGB off. In Bluetooth mode, the battery life is approximately 3 hours with RGB lighting on and 10 hours with RGB off. Charging the V65 fully takes approximately 9 hours, and quick charging is not supported.
This